All right, today we have our two Forerunner Ninja members, Axel and Chewy Ninja, and it's our handy dandy ML350 2005. Guess what? Wife is running over the car wash, and the antenna broke off. This guy. So I called the Mercedes-Benz place. They want $350 for this replacement. And if you buy this in Amazon, it's gonna cost nothing more than 30 bucks. So first things first, if you take a look, the light is right there, which is like right here. So the first thing we need to do is take out this plastic piece, and this is just unclips and it comes right off. How about that? You can see right there, these are the wires for the light. There are two screws right there that we're gonna take out because we may have to remove this panel also. We're not sure yet. So now the other screw. And the Forerunner Ninja channel, our child labor policy is that the child does all the labor. Isn't that right, Axel?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's out. And now I wonder if these things just pop off. Yep, they do. They sure do. So there you go. We're gonna take this one off just a little bit because apparently there's the speakers are right there. All that we're trying to do is get access to the top. Then is held by this bolt by this nut right here that uses a 19 millimeter socket, and you can move this by hand. So maybe you kind of sneak it in there. We're gonna undo it, and it kind of comes off pretty easy. I'm hoping that that's what I'm doing. Okay, so after we unscrew this, the whole bolt, the whole set kind of comes in place. You can see there that it's kind of like a clip. It's kind of like a clip. So this goes in there, and it attaches underneath. The antenna just comes right off, and it attaches underneath to these little screws. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take them off and put in the new cover. We're going to take a little star screwdriver and get all these little screws off. Let's make sure that you keep them. Yep. How about it? It came right off. So now let's put on the new one. All right, so this is the antenna that we got, and this is the new gasket. So we're gonna try to clip it on. It kind of has a groove to prevent the water from going in. Slide it in place. Yep. Look. All right, so we got the new antenna in place. Now we're gonna sneak it back in here, but before we do that, our Forerunner Ninja expert is gonna help us clean a little bit. So now we got the antenna sneaked through. We got our three wires. We need to make sure that they're going through that connector, which they are. And now I'm gonna put this connector and push it in. Now we're gonna take the 19mm wrench, socket, and we're gonna try to tighten it. Just by hand. Now we're gonna take our old handy dandy grommet here and push through, push it on. Now we're gonna refocus and put back the two panels. Okay, so now we replaced the antenna cover. I'll tell you what, it was a booger. Without the help of Forerunner Ninja Junior, I don't think that we could have done it. But I know that the dealership wanted $350 for just the antenna cover and wanted another $300 just to put it in. I thought these people lost their mind. So I have not been able to find this video on YouTube. I'm glad that we were able to help. If it helps, please subscribe, send us comments, and you can let Axel know what we can do in our next video. What do you think we should do?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
So I don't know.
There you have it, guys. Super decisive, precise, to the point.